At JK Creative Company, we believe that effective branding is more than just beautiful design. It's strategic and creative storytelling to help you clarify your message and position your business as a market leader. First, we'll take an in-depth look at your business and focus on the strategy so we can truly understand your audience, your business goals, and how we can reach them both with intentional brand design. We'll then craft a custom brand identity to give your business the premium makeover it deserves. This means designing logos, colours, fonts, graphics, and more to ensure that everything is cohesive and in alignment with your business vision. So, what does brand strategy involve? As each business and project we take on is unique, there's always a lot of research, inspiration gathering, and creating mood boards that go on before we get started to ensure we're on the same page and designing something that truly aligns with your vision. Now it's time to start designing your new brand. We'll provide you with 2 different logo variations. The primary logo is the main logo, which will represent your brand. This usually will have your business name written out in full and is often accompanied by a tagline that explains what you do. There will then be another variation called a secondary logo, which is usually in a slightly different size or layout. Sometimes if there's a smaller space, you might want to use the secondary logo, and somewhere like the top of your website is where you would want to use your main primary logo. In addition to the logos, you'll also receive a submark. This is a much smaller and simplified logo variation, and is often used in places where the full logo just wouldn't fit. A colour palette usually consists of around 4 to 6 colours that will represent your brand. These colours will be chosen based on the core principles of colour psychology to ensure they're representative of your brand values. Fonts and typography can also have a big part to play in how your brand is perceived. A clean and minimal sans serif font gives a very different impression to a curly script font or a bold serif. We'll select 2 to 3 fonts that can be used for headings, buttons, and paragraph text that will complement each other nicely to create a sophisticated look throughout your website, social media, marketing collateral, and printed documents. Illustrations and icons are a fun, creative way to tell your story in a way that's completely unique to your brand. These decorative graphics can be used across all brand collateral and are a great way to infuse your personality into a website, packaging, and marketing. Once we've finished designing the brand visuals and you're happy with how everything's looking, you'll receive all of the logos, graphics, and assets in various different file formats. You'll also receive a brand guidelines document, which is a PDF that outlines your new brand identity and gives directions for how to use it consistently throughout your business and marketing, so you'll have everything you need in one place. And we truly believe that every project should revolve around creative collaboration, bouncing ideas around, and ultimately having fun. So rest assured you'll have plenty of opportunities for feedback and to share your thoughts and ideas throughout the project. We want you to be completely obsessed with the end result.